Hey, welcome to Meet Our Help tutorial. In this video, you will learn how to live stream on YouTube during video conference on Meet Our in mobile. Note: to use the live stream feature you need to have a working YouTube channel account and be approved for live stream. If you want to know how YouTube live stream works, then please click on the link displayed on your screen. Let us start the guide. Step 1. After you join the meeting, click on 3 dots and then go to More Options, click on Start Live Stream button. A pop-up window will open asking for your YouTube live stream key. Step 2. To get stream key, you need to log in onto YouTube, go to Create button and click on Go Live. Step 3. On the stream page, copy the stream key and come back to the Meet Our page. Step 4. Now, paste the stream key on Meet Our and click on the Start Live Stream button. Note: to keep the privacy of our users, we are not storing anything on our Meet Our servers. We are directly storing the recorded video on your YouTube account. That's it. Now to stop live stream, click on 3 dots and then More Options and click on Stop Live Stream. Later, go to YouTube Studio and end stream. Thanks for watching our tutorial. Enjoy free video conference by Meet Our. Please subscribe to our channel to stay connected with the latest updates.